Hi everyone, so today we are going to make a seafood chowder. We often ask our customers what you'd like to see on our recipe page, and seafood chowder has come up quite a few times. So to make this, you've got a nice array of fish here. We've got these beautiful meretrix clams, we've got some red snapper misshapes, we've got these beautiful juicy prawns and some crab meat. But to begin, we're going to make a delicious broth and take you through all the steps. So we're going to add half a white onion, some chopped garlic, and some lovely sprigs of thyme. There's something about chopped onions and garlic that already start the process of any recipe you make at home just smell delicious in your kitchen. So just as your onions have started to turn opaque, we're going to add a nice splash of white wine, and then we just want some sort of lukewarm water, so I'll pop that in there. And this is going to make the base of a really beautiful broth, because now what I'm going to add in are these gorgeous clams, and be delicate with them as you drop them in. So as you can start to see, these lovely clams are starting to open up. This will take between 10 and 12 minutes. And you just want to gently stir that as they begin to open, just to give them a little nudge. So this is just to discard all of the solids. So you've got the base to a lovely broth. You just want to do it nice and gently, otherwise it will go boom. I've nearly taken all these lovely clams out of their shell, and I'm just popping them in here, ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so what we have here is our finely chopped carrot, our celery and our fennel. So I'm just going to transfer that in now. I'm going to add a touch of seasoning. And this will take about 5 to 6 minutes until they've kind of really nicely softened through. And you just want to give them a gentle stir from time to time. So back to the bottle, we want to add another splash of white wine. And that will start to nicely reduce in with the vegetables. Give that a stir. And then you just want to add some plain flour, not too much, just a sprinkle. And you want to look at that by eye, because you just want that to start to thicken ever so slightly. And as you can see, that's making a nice creamy consistency in with the vegetables. So all that lovely preparation that went into making the broth with the clams, you want to add in at this point with all of the other ingredients. So just gently pour that in, stage by stage, whilst stirring at the same time. And then you want 460 ml of double cream. Cream, butter and white wine. It's quite an amazing smell. And then final ingredient to add to this is your finely chopped potatoes. So now I've added the potatoes. You want to bring that to the boil for about 12 to 13 minutes until they start to soften. So on to the main event, the fish. I'm going to slightly season this with some salt and pepper. So we want to go in first with our clams. And then on to our crab meat. Then on to the snapper. And then finally our prawns. Okay, so I'm going to pop the lid on and leave that for about 4 to 5 minutes. So we are now on to the grand event of serving up this beautiful chowder with a lovely crusty roll. So let's pop the lid off. The smell is absolutely divine. Now that is a stunning looking chowder. Just look at the gorgeous colours and beautiful seafood. Just to finish off, you want a nice crusty roll. Give it a tear and a good old dunk.